Teachers, the light of world, the beacon in dark, the hope that gives us strength to survive. Teachers are backbone of any nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to call Shaffay. Put your hands together and welcome Shaffay on stage. Shaffay from 6th class.
And fellows, Assalamu alaikum. There is a saying, people who do not respect teachers do not deserve education. Students must respect teachers for a better learning environment. Give your teachers the respect they deserve, because they are the ones who can help to get where you need to go. While teaching, teachers never show what problems they are undergoing. They always keep aside their sorrows and try to show us the right way. They spend nights delivering their best in teaching. They spend mornings in explaining, most of their afternoons by correcting our mistakes in the answer sheets, most of their months by encouraging us. For most of their lives, they spend time under stress. They may forget what you said, but they will not forget what you made them feel. There is no school equal to a decent home, and the teachers are our second parents. Respect our teachers because they will build our future. Say to yourself every day that the teachers are precious to me and I appreciate their work. Engineers make bridges. Artists make paintings. Scientists make rockets. But the teachers make them all. It is the art of a teacher who awakens the creativity in us. I would like to conclude my speech by saying our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam words. He said, "Innama bu'istu mu'allima." Verily, I have been sent as a teacher. Thank you very much.